Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
Okay, so we're here in Orby Parade. I'm going to take this wee thing down here. Just got the tarp there because we've just got the driveway done recently. So we tarp, I think we've got a wee midi skip there. We 5-tonner and lash that in. We'll not be bothering with scaffold or anything like that there. Yeah. Right, that didn't take long. It's friggin' 10 o'clock. You see here we some idiots have been putting sand cement on this here, which all needs called cleaned off with the grinder. Basically the sign of an idiot. Like a rhinestone cowboy. What? Offers coming over the phone. Yeah. Rhinestone cowboy. So get that hooked in there. Yeah, getting her well insulated. Yes, keep her coming, stupid. Right, well, it's not even lunchtime yet. So, there we are now. Going right now. So there you are now. 2:30. 2:30 and we're way down the road. With the boys at Fair No Noise. There's a PVC and everything back on. Yeah, spot on. Well, they're at a salvage yard. It'll take a year or two to blend in, but it's not too bad.
So, if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.